What's up, guys? We got a 2009 Mercedes-Benz S500 on the block today. No, S550. We're taking out the oil filter housing, which also doubles as the oil cooler. Right over here. So right now we're just getting it out. Of course, you got to take off the thermostat housing. Then you can get to the bolts right here. But now we're about to go ahead and get these bolts out. And now get this bitch in there. Alright, guys, so we got the old oil cooler off. Oil filter housing / cooler off. We'll put the new one on. And to make it easier, you always want to put your bolts in the holes that you take them out of. It's the easiest way to do it. I'm trying to tell you, it's going to make your whole life easy. I'm about to go ahead and clean up the surface, clean up all the old oil, all that down there. And then we're going to fill up with fluids and all that after that. I'll be right back.